Hey there, dream chasers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of personal growth and success. If you're ready to elevate your mindset and unlock your potential, you're in for a treat. Today, we're delving into the timeless wisdom of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So grab a pen, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. The Millionaire Mindset. As Napoleon Hill famously said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Your first step towards success is to cultivate a millionaire mindset. Challenge yourself to start each day with positive affirmations. Declare your financial success. Visualize your dreams becoming reality and maintain an unwavering belief in your capabilities. Throughout the day, be mindful of negative thoughts and replace them with empowering ones. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, so make them work in your favor. Here's a practical way to integrate this principle into your daily routine. Create a morning affirmation ritual. Set aside a few minutes each morning to stand in front of a mirror and declare your positive affirmations. Write them down if it helps. Affirm your financial success, your skills, and your determination. As you go about your day, whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause and reframe that thought into a positive affirmation. This consistent practice will train your mind to focus on abundance and attract success. The power of definiteness of purpose. Napoleon Hill's words. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Highlight the importance of having a clear purpose. Today, your challenge is twofold. First, identify a major life goal that truly excites you. Write it down, then break this big goal into smaller, actionable steps. Your daily task is to accomplish one of these steps, no matter how small. This steady progress maintains your focus and fuels your momentum towards achieving your grand vision. Here's how you could put this principle into practice every day. Begin your morning routine by reviewing your major life goal. Close your eyes and visualize it as vividly as possible. Then, list the specific steps you need to take to move closer to that goal. Pick one of those steps as your daily focus. At the end of the day, reflect on your progress. Did you take action towards your goal? This consistency transforms your dreams into a tangible roadmap, turning adversity into opportunity. Napoleon Hill's insight. Every adversity carries within it the seed of an equivalent or greater benefit, reminds us that setbacks are opportunities in disguise. Your challenge today is to confront a challenge head-on. Instead of letting it discourage you, ask yourself how you can learn from it or turn it to your advantage. Write down 3 positive aspects that could emerge from this challenge. This perspective shift trains your mind to see the silver lining in every situation. Apply this principle daily by creating an adversity journal. Whenever you face a challenge or setback, take a moment to jot it down. Then brainstorm at least 3 potential benefits or opportunities that could arise from the situation. Over time, you'll build a collection of instances where you've turned adversity into growth. This journal not only boosts your resilience, but also keeps you focused on the potential hidden within challenges. Before we continue on, be sure to like and subscribe to help us bring you more inspiring content. The Mastermind Principle. Napoleon Hill's wisdom. No two minds ever come together without thereby creating a third, invisible, intangible force. Speaks to the power of collaboration. Your task today is to identify a like-minded individual who shares your aspirations. Reach out and propose regular brainstorming sessions or discussions. By collaborating, you pool ideas, perspectives, and experiences. Together, you'll accelerate your growth and journey towards success. To put this principle into action daily, start by identifying a potential mastermind partner. It could be a friend, colleague, or even someone you admire online. Reach out and propose a virtual coffee chat or a brainstorming session. Set a regular time to discuss your goals, challenges, and ideas. This consistent collaboration not only holds you accountable, but also injects fresh perspectives into your journey. The habit of persistence. Hill's words, patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Highlight the importance of unwavering determination. Your challenge today is to tackle a task you've been avoiding due to fear or uncertainty. Take action today, no matter how small, and celebrate your achievement. By consistently facing your fears and persistently moving forward, you're nurturing the habit of resilience and progress. Incorporate this principle into your daily routine by implementing a fear-conquering hour. Choose one task that you've been avoiding due to fear, and dedicate an hour to work on it. Break it down into smaller steps if needed. At the end of the hour, take a moment to acknowledge your progress, and give yourself credit for facing your fears head-on. This daily practice builds your courage muscles and propels you forward. Transforming desire into riches. Napoleon Hill's emphasis on desire as the starting point of achievement is encapsulated in his words. Desire is the starting point of all achievement. Your task today is to turn your desires into concrete actions. Create a visual representation of your dreams, whether it's a vision board or a digital collage. Spend time each day visualizing your desires as if they're already a reality. This practice sends a clear message to your subconscious mind, aligning your actions with your ambitions. To apply this principle daily, set aside a few minutes each day to engage in active visualization. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself living your dream life. Imagine the details, the sights, sounds, and feelings. Make this visualization as real as possible. As you go about your day, remind yourself of this vision whenever you need motivation or focus. Your actions will naturally align with the life you're visualizing. There you have it, fellow seekers of success. Think and Grow Rich isn't just a book, it's a roadmap to a life of abundance. By adopting a millionaire mindset, setting clear goals, embracing challenges as opportunities, collaborating within a mastermind, persisting in the face of fear, and turning desires into tangible actions, you're priming yourself for remarkable achievements. I'm visualizing that you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.